Another string function within PHP allows us to take any string, find all instances of a particular word or phrase or any set of characters, and replace them with a word or phrase of our choosing. Let's take a look at an example. First of all, we'll need some kind of sample string. And then we're going to need to use the strReplace function. Now strReplace, and you'll notice that there's an underscore between those two words. You need to put that in to make sure that it's spelt correctly and PHP will correctly identify the name of the function. This function takes three variables, the first of which is the string or set of characters that we want to find and replace. In this case, let's say old. The next parameter is whatever we want to replace it with. Let's say new. The third parameter is whatever string we want this to act on. Now, strReplace does not affect the original string. What it does is it returns the value of the string after the replace function has been done on it. So if we wanted to actually change the value within sentence, we would have to make sure that the new value was assigned to sentence. For our purposes in this example though, let's just echo the result to the browser. Let's save that. And we'll take a look at our browser. As we can see, every instance of the word old has been replaced by the word new. So we can see that strReplace is a good, simple way to replace any set of characters within a string with any new set of characters of our choosing.